Stop taking things personally. Part 3. Does the bullying behavior of another person make you feel unworthy? Do you mistakenly interpret people's humor as veiled insults? Many a times, a person's behavior is not particularly related to you. It's more to do with the person's upbringing, their emotions, or other factors like their mood, level of energy, or health. Are you accepting responsibility for circumstances that are not within your control? This video is crucial for you. In this video we will dwell on the third perspective that can help fight this problem. Communicating assertively. Speak up. Speak up if you believe someone is being unpleasant or disrespectful to you. For example, if someone is always making harsh jokes, express your feelings to him. He may be unaware of how harsh or hostile he appears and how his statements affect you. Use I statements. I words demonstrate your willingness to accept responsibility for your own thoughts and actions. This puts the emphasis on you and your feelings, so the other person doesn't feel attacked. Non-violent communication can be an effective tool. For example, I'm hurt when you say things like that, or I'm sad because I feel like we don't hang out much anymore, and I'd like to see you more often. Approach the discussion calmly. Attacking the other person will most likely be ineffective. Instead, remain calm and explain that you are attempting to engage in a conversation. Instead of battling with the other person, you wish to share your feelings. Make an effort to put some emotional distance between yourself and the other person. Take note of how you perceive the dialogue with them, and then try to question or that belief if it is unfavorable. Use appropriate body language. Pay attention to how you hold your body when communicating assertively. Maintain a calm tone of speech and a neutral loudness. Keep eye contact. Relax your face and posture. Recognize when you aren't getting anywhere. Most people will respond positively to eye comments and non-aggressive dialogue. Some people may become agitated, so if the talk is going nowhere, it's best to go. You have the option of trying again later or simply avoiding that individual. Be aware that some people are abusive. They may employ emotionally abusive tactics such as humiliation, blaming you for everything, or rejecting your feelings. When you are around this individual, you may feel terrified, weary, uncomfortable, threatened, or horrible about yourself. If this is the case, the individual is extremely poisonous, and you should avoid contact with them as much as possible. Imagine that someone else is being treated in the same way that you are. How would you feel if they went through that? What would you say to that individual? Apply the same compassion and care to yourself. Seek guidance if you are unsure about the situation or if you have a condition that impairs your social judgment. Trust someone you know, and look up abuse on the internet. Thanks for watching. Hope this helps. Subscribe for more. Good luck!